She's got a smile and it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories, where everything was as fresh as the bluest sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. And if I'd stayed too long, I'd probably break down and cry. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. Her hair reminds me of a warm, safe place where as a child I'd hide and pray for the thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by. She's got eyes of the bluest sky, as if they thought of rain. I hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of pain.